All right, so this is a great little TikTok video about this woman who had a home selling nightmare. It's a quick video. Let's watch it.
Seller has their worst nightmare. This was mine. 6 o'clock hits, and that's our cutoff for showings. And I'm like, great, we're in the clear.
Okay, before we go any further, when you have the cutoff for showings, the more you can accommodate with showing your house, the better, right? And I know it's an inconvenience, but a lot of people can only look on evenings and weekends. And it's really hard, especially if you have kids, to kind of keep the house in showing condition. But the more you can accommodate, the quicker you will get an acceptable offer. And 6 o'clock, maybe they had something in particular going on that day, but um, a cutoff of 7 or 8 is pretty common. Seven or another extra hour or two makes a big difference.
I start making dinner, the sides go in the oven, but then my realtor calls. Last minute showing.
Okay.
She's like, Allie, we can say no, but Thomas is like, nope, we're going. But this is where it all went wrong. Brussels sprouts.
Ah,
I threw them away so
oh boy, Brussels sprouts. That's the opposite of baking cookies or bread before showing.
fast, and I threw the trash out and started fanning the oven like this, like I was actually gonna do something. And meanwhile, the smell is already traveling through the entire house. Honestly, selling can't get any worse, right? I mean, everything's gonna be just fine. Apparently, this is a series now. You might want to stick around.
Right, so that's really funny. There's nothing you can do about it at that point, right? You may have heard me talk in other videos about how to get rid of odors in a house using a product that I like called Odoban. But at that point, nothing's going to matter. The only thing you can do at that point really is to let your agent know that you just cooked Brussels sprouts in the house, and to make sure that the buyer's agent and the buyers are aware of that. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe to our channel, comment below, and I will see you guys on the next one.